welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the most interesting topic, and that is banning of 59 apps belonging to China. No, I am not going to explain about the apps, but I have come up with some Indian alternates to those Chinese apps that are banned. Let's see some of them. Why delay? Let's get into it. First, let us talk about translating app. Most of you might be aware of this app, and that is Baidu Translator. This translator was used for speech to speech translation and camera translation. A best alternate for this app is either Google Translate or we have an app called Hi Translate. So you can use either of these to get the same functionality as that of Baidu app. The next one is the most famous, mostly used ShareIt. Yes. So all of us might have transferred some movies from our friends' phones using ShareIt. It was such a useful app though. So another best alternate for ShareIt is Google Drive or Dropbox. And we have some other apps as well, but then these are the most famous ones and these have a kind of similar functionality to that of ShareIt. For your sake of convenience, I will tag down some of the apps in the description which I frequently use. Who doesn't miss UC browser? It was so user friendly and the GUI was so good. But then our Indian apps are no less than the UC browser. Either you go for Google Chrome or go for Geo browser. These provide similar kind of GUIs and are no less than UC browser. Show me a girl who doesn't love shopping. I am a shopping freak and I miss shopping from Shein and Clubfat. But what to do? We have some alternate apps, Indian apps like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. Yes, I agree. You might not find such cute stuff which we find in Club Factory. But then these apps are no less, and by using these apps, we can support the local brands of India and we can shop through. And one more thing, why not check out some local brands from Instagram, directly DM them, bargain and buy some stuff? There are always perks and disadvantages going together. So maybe because of not using Shein, we get a chance to buy some local brands and do some bargaining. Introduce me to somebody who has not used Cam Scanner. We all have used Cam Scanner for scanning our documents. But we have some very good alternatives, although I haven't personally used them anytime, but then they are all worth a try. Go for Microsoft Office Lens or Adobe Scan. They will come up with the same functionality that we used to get with Cam Scanner. Why not give them a try? Yes, I always preferred going through UC News to get the latest updates. But don't feel bad, we have another similar app called InShorts. This app provides news in short format which you can read within some seconds. So let's give it a try. Who doesn't like makeup? Who doesn't like grooming? And girls, I know and I heard it, all of us love selfies. So we already have an app and I think most of us are using it, B612 makeup app, which is pretty much good and we can take wonderful selfies using this. And I'm pretty sure this is a very good alternate for the banned Chinese app which is YouCam Makeup. So let's move on to the other one. Coming to chatting apps like WeChat. Why worry when we have WhatsApp already? Last but not the least, I know most of you got a heart failure when you heard this. TikTok. So I totally understand that banning TikTok is a big shocker to most of the talented people in India who have showcased and proved themselves on TikTok. But then, your talent will not wash away just because of the platform. You can always showcase your talents. For this, you can either use Instagram or you can use Facebook. We have similar functionality providing app called Dubsmash, Snapchat with so many filters just like TikTok. Why delay? Install them and prove your talents. Do not worry about a gone app. A small app is not at all a barrier for showing up your talent. Finally, we have come to the end of this video. I hope whatever apps I suggested will be useful for you. I will try to link most of the apps in the description below, and then I will come up with some more interesting videos every week. Please subscribe, share, like, support kar do yaar. Bye bye.